For the Investing News Network, I'm Bryan here with Jocelyn Aspa, our Tech and Life Science Managing Editor, for a June update on cryptocurrencies and blockchain. Jocelyn, can you give us a breakdown of the monthly highlights for crypto?
So it was another tough month for cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin started off at a high of about 7,600 early June, and then by the end of the month, it reached a 2018 low of just under 5,900. This is according to data from CoinMarketCap. Some of its reasons for its declining price include a rise in over-the-counter trading desks, which this is according to David Drake, founder and chairman of LDJ Capital. As far as Ethereum, which is the second top cryptocurrency, it reached a high of just under 620 and then dipped to a low of 412 on June 29th. In terms of news, the SEC announced it had received a physically backed Bitcoin ETF filing from VanEck and SolidX. If it's approved, shares of the fund will be priced at 25 Bitcoins, which is about $200,000 as a means to attract institutional investors. So that wraps up cryptocurrency news last month.
And what about blockchain news?
So Global Blockchain Technologies, they announced early in June a partnership with Hewlett-Packard for a collaboration on proof of concept marketplace for cloud services that specifically targets enterprise users. So the target release date will be sometime in Q3 2018, so we'll have to wait over the next few months on what's going to happen with that. And then we have two companies last month in the clean tech space that announced they will be doing things with cryptocurrency mining. The first is Solar Alliance, who announced in mid-June it will be working to develop the world's first solar crypto mining facility, which is 165,000 square foot facility in Illinois. And then TransAlta Renewables, they announced that it and Bit City entered into a partnership to develop an industrial scale crypto mining facility. So they entered into a 5-year power purchase agreement. So details of that still aren't fully available or finalized, but it will be located at its TransAlta Blue Energy Water Park in Ontario. And then Reality Shares, they officially launched its China-based blockchain ETF. It is the first ever China-based blockchain ETF, and it has about 31 holdings. I spoke with Reality Shares CEO Eric Urban about the new ETF, and he says that this ETF is being looked at as a unique pure play ETF because US-based investors can't otherwise get to the Chinese markets.
Did anything else catch your attention during the month?
Yeah, there was another blockchain ETF that launched, this time in Canada. And this is based off of Selective Blockchain Technology and Hardware Index. So some of the top holdings in that ETF include Hive Blockchain, NVIDIA, and Intel. And then we have VersaBank, who rolled out its phase 1 of the blockchain-based vault, which is called VersaVault. This is the first blockchain-based safety deposit box. And then we have the Investment Regulatory Organization of Canada, who released its 2019 priorities. And as part of those priorities, they said they want to make blockchain and cryptocurrency regulation at the top of their priorities. So some big things happening in that space for blockchain and crypto regulations. And then we have SharesPost, who released a report stating that blockchain opportunities will surpass 2.5 trillion over the next 10 years, and those funds will be in key areas like financial services, commerce, media, supply chain management, and cybersecurity. So there's a lot of big things happening in blockchain this month, and will be things to watch for in the coming months and year ahead.
Okay, thank you for the update, Jocelyn. Be sure to stay tuned with INN for all the latest in crypto and blockchain. For the Investing News Network, I'm Bryan.
And I'm Jocelyn Aspa.